Hi, I hope you're all having a wonderful day today. My name is Melinda if you're new to my channel, and if you're returning, thank you for coming back to watch another video with me. And if you haven't done so already and you like the kind of videos that I do, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button down below and a thumbs up. Today is a requested video, and it is a comparison on the Fendi Mini Peekaboo to the Chanel Mini Flap. And I'm so sorry, but I do not remember who requested it. It's been quite a while and I can't even remember what video it was on. But the reason that they wanted the comparison of the two is because the price points are extremely similar. The Fendi Mini Peekaboo in the Napa leather, which is what I have, the lambskin, retails for $3,390, and the Chanel Mini is $3,400. So super close in price, and they wanted to know my opinions. And if you're curious which one I would choose if I could only have one, stay tuned because I will get into all that. So first, let me kind of do an overview of the bags. And I also have videos on both of these, I'm pretty sure, with mod shots and with the camera turned around where you can see what's in the bag. So I will link that. I'm not going to do that today. I am going to kind of show you what fits, but I've already done that with both of these. So if you want more in depth, that is a good place to look on those ones. So with the Fendi Mini Peekaboo, it comes with a little rain jacket, which is super cute should you get caught in the rain, because rain and lambskin are not friends. And it also comes with a very long adjustable crossbody strap. And it is very thin, but it's very comfortable. It does not dig into my shoulder at all, which kind of surprises me with how thin it is. It is extremely lightweight. One of the few bags that I can do handheld. It is really, really lightweight. It is all leather lined. The whole bag. There's a little slit compartment right there that is showing. It's hard to tell on the monitor with black on black. And then on the other side there is a zippered compartment, and there's a little, let's see if I can get that to show, maybe. There's a little gold plaque that says Fendi made in Italy. And let's see, inside the zipper compartment is fabric. That is fabric. So there is a tiny bit of fabric on this bag. But inside of this other little slit compartment, that is all leather. There are no feet on the bag. On the sides, there are these little hooks, grommets, I'm not sure what you call them, but you can do that if you want to have a cleaner looking bag than have it stick out. And I usually do wear it more like that than having it opened. And the closure is a turn lock, and it just flips like that, and it says Fendi on it and on both sides. I personally do not like the look of the bag when it's closed. Like even when it's empty, it kind of looks smashed. I always wear it open, and I just prefer that way. I just think it looks better. What else am I forgetting? Oh, it has a center divider and two side compartments, and it is in just smooth lamb leather. And Fendi lamb leather blows Chanel's lamb leather away, at least the two pieces from Chanel that I have in handbags. This bag has no scratches. It has been on multiple vacations. It was not too long ago on a 8 or 9 day trip, and it has held up beautifully. And I got this one September, October, I can't remember, but I got this one in Paris. So I've had this one longer than the Chanel, and the Chanel does have some scratches on it, and the Chanel has barely been used, just a handful of times. Dropping things off my desk here. Okay, so the Chanel, it is much smaller, as you can see, and it is in the lambskin with the silver hardware. It has a long strap. It is not adjustable, has the leather woven through it, and it does not dig into my shoulder either. Again, a very lightweight bag. This one feels a little bit heavier than the Fendi, believe it or not, because of all of the metal in the chain, I'm sure. It does have the smile pocket on the back. Let's see if that's showing. And trying trying to see if I can show. I highly doubt that it will show up on camera, but there are already several scratches. And I want to say I've probably used this bag 3 times. Maybe this one will show in the back. And no, they do not buff out with your finger like people have said many, many times. Maybe with some leather conditioner, but it doesn't bother me. I knew going into this, lambskin is going to scratch. There's the biggest one is right there on that quilt. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. But yeah, so it is what it is, but I think it's beautiful in lamb, and I do like the sheen of it. The inside of the bag is just solid leather, one compartment here, one large compartment here, then there is a slit pocket right here, and then a zippered part in the back. And this one, let's see, yes, this is completely leather lined even down into the zippers. You can probably see the scratches a little bit better on the underside of the flap, but that is just the nature, that is what's going to happen with lambskin. So I'll try to show you a little bit of what fits in the two. And of course, the Fendi is obviously going to fit quite a bit more, clearly. But let's just kind of do this one, because since I travel with this one so much, I know really well how much fits in this one. And when I use the mini, I have to really, really think about it and downsize. So I am carrying my Dior Diorama wallet, and that goes down in there extremely easily. And then I just brought this out because I have still been using this, and it is the Toiletry Pouch 15. Just wanted to see, I've never brought this with me, but yeah, very easily fits down in there. I got that on the other side. I have to have sunglasses, that is not negotiable. That fits very easily down next to the toiletry pouch. It's probably not showing very good, but I do have a video with it turned around, like I said, so if you want to see a little bit more in depth. I have my phone, which is the iPhone X. Put that down in there. I have my keys, and that fits easily next to the phone. And then I always carry gum and tissue, and let's see if I can get that down in there. Yes, so I can get the gum and the tissue next to the toiletry pouch 15 on this side, and then the sunglasses easily fit on top. So that is typically what I would carry in a day going anywhere. I don't carry a ton, and yeah, so that fits absolutely everything I need. This is a little bit loaded up for vacation. I probably wouldn't have such a full toiletry pouch, and I don't ever have my keys, my car keys with me, but yeah, it holds an absolute ton. So let's work on the mini. And so we already know, not happening, right? Not happening, and not happening. Nope, no way. And so let's see what we can get in there with what is left, which is the keys, the phone, and let's see, tissue and gum. And I did bring out a card holder. This is what I use when I use a mini. I have 3 card holders, so I will use one of these. So the way I will pack this is I will put the card holder in the very back where there is the zippered compartment, and I probably should have picked a colored card holder so you could see it better, but I will put that in there. And I don't really put anything in the little slit compartment in front of it. I did grab a mini O case, and a lot of people prefer to just put their lipsticks and whatever they're using, you know, just let it down in the bag without a pouch. I prefer to use a pouch for the reason that the bag is leather lined and I am carrying liquids with me. So I feel like if it's gonna spill, I would rather it be contained in that. So there is the mini O pouch. You can see there it is. And then, oh, I just ripped the sticker off. I didn't realize it was still on there. Okay, I didn't need that anyways. So the keys, I have to have my keys so I can drive. So let's see if that will fit down in there. It does. And then the phone, and we are getting very tight here. very, very tight. The phone fits. So there is all of that. And then the sunglasses on top of that. And it is a really tight, tight, tight close. So I don't know. I would have to probably take things out of this, and I don't like doing that. I think I've used this with a cosmetic pouch before. Maybe it was a different shaped one. Let's try it with this one, which you would think this one wouldn't fit as well, but surprisingly, this one fits in mini bags better than this one does, and I'm not sure why, but it does. So let's put that down in there. That fits perfect. Oh, I have to have my tissues. I can cheat and just bring gum in the car. That is not a big deal. I have to have my phone and my sunglasses. And will it close? Barely, but yes, it will close. But you can see it is a little bit bulging there. So yeah, I'm not sure that I would carry quite that much, but it does fit. Let me show that to you. Take the sunglasses off, and there is all that. So it does fit. I probably need to just stop being so worried about spilling things and not use little pouches, but I do anyways. Now I have done this before though. I have taken my key out and just completely just put it down in, and that does save a little space from having the extra leather pouch there. But okay, let me take them all out and tell you how I feel about them both. I am very glad that I picked up the mini. And when I first got it, I thought I would get more colors. I actually did get a color. There's a video on that. It didn't work out. It was sent to me damaged, but I will try to link that somewhere. But I have decided, since I've had this since December, maybe? November? I don't know. I'll have to look and see. I've had this several months now. It is towards the end of April, and I've used this 3 times. So if I had to choose between the two, I would purchase the Peekaboo over the mini, 100 times over the mini. It is more user-friendly. The leather has held up better. I can fit a ton in here. I like that I can carry this 2 ways. When I take this on vacation, I will hand carry this to dinner, which I like. It's nice, it's elegant. I have no intentions on letting this one go, but I also don't think I will be adding a whole bunch of colors, which I originally was like, oh, I love this. I'm gonna get it in caviar. I'm gonna get it in another color, but I just don't see that happening. And if I got caviar, I would probably get black. And what is the point? Lambskin does not bother me at all. I mean, even though I'm saying that this lamb is better than this lamb, it is. Dior lamb is better than Chanel lamb. There's a lot of lamb better than Chanel lamb, but it doesn't bother me. I think it's beautiful. I love the sheen on it. But yeah, if I had to choose one over the other, it would be the Fendi. And because it is still a mini bag, and but you saw how much you can fit in it. You really don't have to completely downsize and think about it. I used this one on errands not too long ago, and I literally spent probably 10 minutes before leaving the house trying to make everything fit in here that I needed, because I had to have keys, have to have my glasses. They're prescription. It's not a choice anymore. I have to drive with prescription glasses. They need to fit somewhere. So they did. And that is a big part of why I love this bag, because I can completely downsize and fit sunglasses. And that is why I let all of my wallet on chains go. They don't fit sunglasses, and I like this a lot better. So this is great for the purposes that I'll be using it for. But yeah, out of the two, I prefer the Fendi. So thank you so much for watching another video. I hope this was helpful if you're considering purchasing either of these bags. I recommend both of them. They're fabulous. I am happy to own both of them. And yeah, I can't think of anything else. Hope you have an amazing day. Take care. Bye-bye.